Welcome to your premiere, the third stage of the Starmaker system. It's a simple three-step process that takes you from obscurity to fame. Step one, publicity machine. You need to create a buzz. This step shows you how to target your publicity so it lands on the right audience and propels you into the limelight. Step two, entertainment is a team sport. All stars know you need the right team to back you up. And that's why we show you how to find and sign the perfect representatives. Step three, celebrate your celebrity. Now that you've created some buzz, let's celebrate your stardom in style. We'll help you cultivate a winning image and make sure your celebrity sticks around for long-term success. So, if you want people to know your name, start your journey with the Starmaker system and get ready to celebrate your premiere.